Good evening. Today I'm gonna talk to you about a trade that was, I would say, really driven by the fear of missing out. Listening to many videos, everybody talks about, before getting in, you gotta calm down, don't rush the trade, do the analysis. Uh, on that day, January the 4th, I woke up. It was in the morning. I opened up my phone, ran my pre-market scanner, saw this ticker, an RBO, for a neuropharmaceutical that was moving quite a bit. It had moved around 10% the day before. It looked to me like it was starting to test a resistance around 188. So I thought, okay, you know what, this one could make a play. Now, rather than waiting, I decided to buy in pre-market and bought in close, I think, close at the top of this big candle over here. Of course, pre-market, as you can see, not much happening. Stayed really around the 170s, and then as soon as the market opened up, while it shot up, it didn't really do much. And then the next candle opened up, it was red. I sold somewhere around here. I did sell for a loss, not a big loss. It was within, I guess, the threshold that I had. And then for the rest of the day, as you can see, not much volume, for that day. Now, the reason why I want to talk to you guys about this trade is because for many of you that are starting out, depending on your strategies, some of you may decide to do pre-market, some of you may decide to focus only aftermarket, some of you may decide to jump into um, you know more expensive or higher cost stocks. Definitely for this one, it was around $1, and I think overall the volume, anyways, our outstanding shares is, I think, is small. I mean, definitely in the millions, but nothing extravagant. And what this does pre-market is any little fluctuation, while it moves the stock up quite a bit, as you see, from roughly 70 cents to close to $1.90. So that's 20 cents. That's more than 10% for sure. But the risk is when it swings down, it also swings down the same way. So big strong up move, and then again, you see it every 15 minutes or 30 minutes, it was kind of like hovering around losing 10 cents or so. So for me, at least, one of the things that I started to look at more is maybe ease off in the pre-market, really focus on the analysis with the premise that if something really has the potential, it will tend to basically move once everybody's in the market, right after market opens. So that's the thing that I'm taking away. And of course, always look at the bigger picture. When I look at the daily here, you see even this big spike. I mean, it hadn't been there for close to a month, maybe waiting for it to retest this area here before I buy in, and not buy in at the first entry. So that's with this one. The first video I talked more about an option. This one's more about the pre-market. I've been trying to test different strategies, options, pre-market, regular, I guess, during hours trading, sometimes after hours trading, and the intention is to bring these videos here, show you guys what's been happening, especially on the downside, in the hopes that some of you that are just starting off end up avoiding some of the mistakes I have. Again, just a quick disclaimer that this isn't intended as financial advice. It's really rather my own personal opinion and intended for learning purposes only. That's it for this evening, and see you on the next video.